How to register for Synchrony Bank online access. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up in order to go to the registration page and register for it. So let's just dive right into the video. So we can start by opening up the browser and we can directly search for Synchrony online access and hit enter, and we'll be finding this link right here. We can click on the very first link that appears. And it's super easy. Once you're on the website, in the top right corner, we can find an option called sign in and open an account. We can select that option. And once we click on that option, we just need to enter up our details. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and look out for this option called register for online access. If you already have a bank account, and we need to provide in these details. So first of all, we need to provide in our social security number. Go ahead and provide it up in the section. And right below it, we need to provide in the date of birth. So provide in your date of birth and click on the continue option. That will help Synchrony find and verify account. After that is done, you can check if your account info is correct, and if everything matches, you can click on continue and you can create up login credentials. After that, enter up your email address, agree to the terms and conditions, and once it is done, you should be able to register very easily, and you can log in using your new credentials from now onwards. And that's it, everybody. It's super easy to register on Synchrony for online access. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.